Morning, everybody. We're gonna be at, like I said, Waynesboro this week, so go through this stuff. We got the Polish, one of the little funny hairdos, right there. They're gonna be 5. Phoenixes are 5. Again, at this age too, which probably won't take them. You got Phoenix, Polish, they're 5. Now we're looking at the Phoenix and Polish still. Like I said, this ones will probably be taken from here up. They're 5, 7. Might take a couple of turkeys. They're going to be 20. There's some more of them. Got some silkies in here. They're 10. That's turkeys. So we got over here. Couple of Phoenix and silkies. Silkies are 10. The Phoenixes, they're probably going to be about, they're 7 once they come off this light. These are the ones we end up taking. Like this one. Come over. We got grow outs. Grow outs are 10. And I'm trying to see. Got in here. We'll have Guinea eggs. Again, Guinea eggs we'll have. They're going to be $20 a dozen locally. You can always find us on eBay. eBay a little bit more though, because eBay got to get theirs too. We're going to have to collect, like the guineas are. Putting out eggs, we're getting about anywhere from 40 to 50 eggs a day. Like I said, man, should have a couple incubators filled up today. Excited about that. I gotta go get those some food. And I'm trying to think. I don't think that's about it. Anyhow, Guinea Up.